first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand here. Today topic is a favorite leader. So I will tell you about Chandrasekhar Azad. Means some lines I will tell you about. He was born in Madhya Pradesh, and when he was child, then he studied in Madhya Pradesh. But when he became young, then his father sent him in Kashi for study. But in Kashi, at that time the British peoples ruled in our country, and they tolerate all peoples who live in our country. And when Chandrasekhar Azad heard the news that everyone know about Jallianwala Bagh Hatyaakaand. Everyone know about it, and when he heard about it, then a lot of pupils died. But after that, Gandhiji start a Sahyog Andolan. Then he take a part in that slogan. He take a part, but when the British peoples who ruled in our country, they know about the slogan, that a Sahyog slogan. Then they take a hard action on those people who support Mahatma Gandhi, and in that they arrest Chandrasekhar Azad, and at that time they was only 15 years old. And when they present them in front of the judge, then the judge asked to them, "What's your name?" Then he said that my name is Azad. And when he asked his father's name, then he said that my father's name is Swadhinta. And when he asked, "Where do you live?" then he said that I live at a jail. And after it, the judge became a lot of anger, and he punished him. Means he gave him a strict punishment. But Chandrasekhar Azad they accept his punishment, and they gave a challenge to the British people, and the people who live in Kashi, they were shocked that a 15 years old pupil gave a challenge to the British people, and they become very happy, and they all feel proud on him, that they do a lot of they do a very courageous work, that they give them a challenge. No one collect the courage to speak in front of them, but a 15 years old child give them a challenge. And after it, he decide, his name is a flow in a whole country just like a current. And he decided that I will make my country independent. And he make a lot of friends who don't fear by the British people, who have a lot of courage, and by the help of their friend, he serve our country a lot of, and he do a lot of difficult works which people when they hear that those person support them and also support their country for getting freedom. Then Mahatma Gandhi everyone know that Mahatma Gandhi want a peaceful freedom. They don't want to want to any war. But when the Asayog slogan is getting down, then they think that I take a strong action, and they throw a bomb in a assembly hall, and after it Bhagat Singh is arrested, and the judge gave them a strict punishment, and when the Bhagat Singh is died, then in Prayagraj at Alfred Park, the Chandrasekhar Azad is sit and talk with his friend. But the people who ruled in our country, they get the information that Chandrasekhar Azad is sit in the Alfred Park. Then they go there and they start firing. But when the Chandrasekhar Azad realized that I have only one bullet, then they shoot himself. And everyone know that he do a lot of courageous work for our country, and he serve our country a lot of, and his all friends are also do a lot of hard work for giving our country freedom. So that's all.